Hello, my name is Dr. Divyashri Rajendra. I am a practicing orthodontist in Bangalore. I have been doing orthodontics since 2008 and my expertise lies in smile makeovers using braces and invisible aligners. At home aligners or in-office aligners. So there's a huge debate going on about these nowadays, even among the orthodontists and the organizations such as American Orthodontic Association or Indian Orthodontic Society. What is the difference between the two? Let me talk about that first. At home aligners are basically something also known as DIY, do it yourself orthodontics. So basically in this approach, these are driven by certain companies which will probably visit you for measurement or impressions of your teeth or scan of your teeth, procure the digital models, make aligners to move your teeth and then deliver them to your home. In contrast, in-office or in-clinic aligner system is wherein you visit a professional orthodontist who will examine your teeth, check the suitability of your case, whether it is doable with aligners, also check your x-rays and other records to ensure that your health, bone and gum health is good to be able to move the teeth, and then accordingly they will do the scan and then they'll plan your aligners taking into consideration all your biology, your health and doability. And then your aligners would be given to you. Now the difference between the two options, the DIY as well as the in-clinic approach would be that firstly, in the in-clinic or the orthodontist driven treatment, there is a continuous supervision which is happening right from the start, which involves the right diagnosis and the right kind of treatment plan for your particular case. Plus, as you keep progressing through the treatment, there will be continuous checkups to ensure that the treatment is going as per the plan and then there is no damage happening either to your teeth or your gum health or things like that. On the other hand, with the DIY aligners, that supervision, that is the basic thing which is missing. So since we are dealing about treating a human body, the mouth, right? So it is very, very important that it is done under professional supervision. If something were to go wrong, wherein because as a patient you may not realize that you are running into some problem until it is too late. So either pain or mobility of teeth or those kind of issues are a later stage. Before that itself, if you are under professional supervision, that can be stopped, that can be prevented. So it is very important not to fall prey for any kind of DIY marketing or aligners. If you are completely interested in going for alignment with aligners and not braces, then definitely you should be visiting an orthodontist and ensure that you go for the highest quality of treatment.